Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the inverse function. So now I want to show you how to answer. If we want to find this one, we have the formula in here. So that means this is about negative number 2, because with the inverse function number 0, that is about negative number 2. If we put negative number 2 on here, you got about bs equals to number 0. That's why we have this formula in here. The first thing, we need to simplify the numbers. So we divide by number 2 and negative side. So we just have only s plus number 2 over 4 plus 4s plus number 3. Number 6. And now we need to find first the derivative of bs. So in this one, we can apply the quotient rule of the derivative. So for this one, that should be like this. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 4. Because first the derivative of s we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0 in here. So we have number 4. So this one we have negative 4s, negative number 8. So number 6 minus number 8, we have negative number 2. And now we apply the formula in here. So a that is about number 0. So b that is about number 2. So this one we have in here. And I will put number 2 on here. So we have the final answer. And that is about negative 98. This is the end. Thank you for watching.